It's not a professional video, but I want to show us how we can make money trading futures on MEXC by showing us how to use the futures interface of MEXC platform. The first thing you're going to do is to go over to futures right here. So click on futures. Now this is the futures trading interface. So if it's your first time of trading futures using MEXC, you're going to be asked to take a quiz to know your competence level and if you know what it entails to trade futures on MEXC. You also happens on other exchanges. Now this is the platform, and so if you don't already have funds in your MEXC account, you're going to have to transfer from another exchange, your wallet, or buy from P2P. But if you have in your spots, you have to go ahead to transfer it from your spot, from your fiat to futures trading. So you can do that by clicking here. So once you click, it's going to take you to transfer. Transfer from spot to your futures, and then ensure to set USDT. Then, but if you have other tokens you want to use to trade your futures, maybe you're doing CoinM or USDC, you can transfer them to your futures account. Just click all, and then you'll be able to process the transfer right here. So if once you've transferred, then I'll go ahead to show you the interface. Now you can see there are various types of futures trading, and that's like various types of collateral method when you want to trade futures. The USDT M margin means they're going to be trading with USDT. The USDC M means they're going to be trading with USDC, and then Coin M means they're going to be trading with other coins other than USDT, other coins other than stable coins such as TRX, EOS, BTC, Ethereum. So instead of earning profits in stable coins as USDT or USDC, you'll be earning profit in those coins. So if you're trading Coin M, you'll be earning profit. If you're trading Coin M with BTC or Ethereum, your profits will be in BTC or Ethereum other than in USDT. So after here, you can see right here, over here, you can get to select the token you want to trade. So click on it, you're going to see various tokens. So let me click on SUI. So you can see it has changed to SUI, and then over here you're going to see the order book. Here you can see persons who are shorting or selling this coin, and I see those who are buying. Then this is the price, and then below here is the market price, which takes the average of the price that appears here. So after that, now you've understood the order book. Over here you can get to see the margin mode. So click on the margin mode. There are two forms of margin mode, either isolated or cross. Now isolated means that even though I have 35 USDT here and I decide to trade with $5, even though I have 35 USDT here and I decide to trade with 5 USDT, it means that the only amount that will be involved in that trade is 5 USDT. So in case I'm liquidated or in case I lose money, it just affects the amount I've committed to trading. Now in cross margin, it means that you'll be using all your funds to trade. If you're going to use $5, the $5 will go into the trade, while the remaining $30 will be used as maintenance margin. So another difference is that the liquidation price of isolated will be much closer since there's no maintenance margin, while that of cross will be a bit further because there's a maintenance margin. So I'm using cross to trade. Anyone you select to be used for you. And then over here you can get to see the leverage, and most of us have been seeing leverages. The leverage for SUI ranges from 1x to 200x. Now as a beginner, I advise you don't use more than 10x to trade, and this leverage helps you have more position or have more coins to trade, so you can impact your profits and it can impact your loss. So I'm currently trading with 15x, but for this token you can trade from 1x to 200x. But for a beginner, ensure that you don't go beyond 10x so you don't get to lose all your money. So after that, you can get to see the amount I have, and then these are the trading forms. And if you want to place a trade, you can decide to use limit or market order. Now limit order just simplifies that you're going to set the price you want to buy at. Then whenever this price gets to it, the order picks. While market order means that you want to buy now, you want to buy immediately at this current market price. So but if you've done your analysis, obviously you should have done your analysis, or you have someone who gives you signals, who has already done analysis to give you your entry points, your take profit points, and your stop loss. Now, once you've done this, over here you'll be able to set your take profit price and then your stop loss here. Then over this place, I didn't explain here. Over here, you're seeing open and you're going to see close. So over here, as open, you'll be able to open a long or a short. Long actually means buy, while short actually means sell. So once you click on open, it means that you want to either open a long, a buy position, you want to either open a short position, which is the sell position. While if you click on close, it means that you either want to close your ongoing short position or your ongoing long position. And that advantage of MEXC is that you can open a long position and a short position at the same time and it will be running. But like I said, ensure that you've done your analysis before you go ahead with this. So once you've set the order you want to use, either limit order or market order, right, and then you've set your price, you can get to input the amount of SU you want to buy. But if you don't understand how it works, you can just change here to USDT and set the amount of USDT. You can put order cost by USDT and then change the amount of USDT you want to put into this trade. Now for open long, it means that you're going to make profits once the price goes higher. So you're going to be entering at a lower price, and then once the price goes higher, you're making profit. Once it goes below your entering points, you're going to be losing. Then to open shorts, it means that you're going to be entering at a higher price, and once the price starts going down, you're going to be making money. And then once it's going higher than your entry price, it means that you're going to be in loss, right? So I think that's it for this interface. So let's go ahead to place a trade so I can get to explain to us the various components of the trade. I already have a trade running here that's on PopCat, right? But let's place one on so you can get to know how to place. So because of this video, I'll just be using market order to place this trade, and I'll be using over. If you put in the amount of SU you want to use, you can get to see the equivalent in USDT. I can get to see your liquidation price. So if it's a long I want to take, right, this is options for a long, that's a buy. But if I want to take a short on this token, these are the options for a token. This is the amount, and this is the liquidation price if I'm going to take a short. So if you want to take a long, you just have to click here, and a short, you just have to get to click this place. So I'll be going with a long for now. No analysis was done. I'm just doing this for the sake of these tutorials. This is not a signal. So just click on input the amount of share I want to buy. Just click on open long. So these options are going to come for you to be able to verify your trade so that it will not be as if you're trading by mistake also. So click on buy long. So once you do that, over here you're going to see your trade. So you can see this is the token we are trading. This is the leverage. Now, this is the size I input. We saw it previously. So this is the size. So 1 USDT, right, with this leverage, this is the current size I'm using to trade. Now, this is the average price that I entered the trade. This is the current price. So because it is increasing, it's a bit higher than the average price, I'm in profit. It's green. But if it goes below this average price, here will be red and I'll be in loss. This is the amount I used to enter the trade. This is my margin ratio. Margin ratio is, because we're using cross to trade, margin ratio just signifies the margin you're using to trade compared to your maintenance margin. It gives you your margin ratio. So when this margin ratio increases to 100%, you're going to get liquidated, you're going to lose your money. Liquidation price just means a price that if my trade gets to that price, I'm going to lose the trade or lose my money. Now, this liquidation price is calculated based on the amount you used to enter the trade and then how much you have left in your maintenance margin. My liquidation price is 0 because my leverage is low and I'm using the lower margin to enter. So before I get liquidated, it means that price has to go to 0 for me to lose all my money. But for some trades like this PopCat right here, you can see that my liquidation price is showing 0.15. So if price goes down to 0.15, I'm going to lose my entire money. Everything is going to go. Futures is quite profitable. At the same time, it's quite easy for you to lose your money. So if you do not set your take profit or stop loss initially, you can click over here and you can go ahead to set your take profit here, set your stop loss here, and then you can go ahead to confirm it right here. So I think that's it. Then you can go ahead to close your trade, either using close or flash close if you are interested in closing it. If you've gotten to the amount you want to get to and you want to close this trade. Now I know most people have been seeing PNLs. Now in order for you to get your PNL, click on this option, this arrow here. So once you click on it, you're going to see this. This is my name here. This is the trade. This is how much percentage profit I have. This is my entry, and this is my referral code. So you can try to choose what and what shows up, and then you can click here to download it and share. So endeavor to always use your stop loss whenever you're trading futures. Also, let's set a take profit, because price can go in any direction even after you've done your analysis. Then over here, right, if you click on here, you're going to be seeing the charts. Here shows where I bought, and then till probably whenever I sell, right? And then if you click on this option here, you'll be seeing other options that makes this quite easy for you to trade. So over here as preferences, you can set up your preferences, the ones that you want, the way you want your futures interface to look like. Here's the transfer, where you can transfer tokens from your spot to futures. Then over here, you can get to calculate a trade before you enter. Calculate your entry, calculate your take profit, know how much you're going to get before you enter the trade. And then right here, you can, instead of using your real funds to trade, you can go over to demo trading and use demo trading, where you can use funds that are not real to get to trade. So futures is quite risky. If you have questions, you can let me know in the comment section, and I'll be addressing them quite quickly. So thank you for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe. If you've been watching my videos, endeavor to give me a thumbs up, and if you yet to subscribe, also do well to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you can get an update from me whenever I post them. My Telegram channel link is in the description. Also, the link to this MEXC Exchange is in the description. Do well to register MEXC with my link and also join my Telegram channel so you can be getting updates quite faster. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next time.